Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to dodge in League of Legends. Dodging is a fundamental skill that significantly improves your survivability and outplay potential. It's about more than just moving. It's about understanding threats and reacting quickly. Mastering this technique can turn the tide of many engagements, allowing you to escape dangerous situations and set up your own plays. We'll cover key principles to help you become a more elusive player. To effectively dodge, you must first recognize what you're dodging. Look for the visual cues of enemy skill shots, like their initial cast animation or the projectile's path. Understanding your opponent's champion and their common ability combos is vital. Also, be mindful of your own champion's movement speed. Sometimes a simple step is all it takes to avoid a critical hit. Knowing ability cooldowns helps you anticipate when to be extra cautious. Positioning is key to successful dodging. Instead of running directly away, try sidestepping to throw off your opponent's aim. Think about where they expect you to go and move elsewhere. Maintaining a good distance gives you more time to react. Also, remember that minions and certain terrain features can block many skill shots, offering you natural cover in a pinch. This strategic thinking is a powerful defensive tool. Consistent practice is essential for improving your dodging. Spend time in the practice tool, setting up bots to fire skill shots at you, and work on your reaction time. As you advance, learn to incorporate your champion's own movement abilities, like dashes or blinks, for more sophisticated dodges. Watching high-level gameplay can also provide valuable insights into advanced techniques and strategic positioning. Always adapt your approach to the specific threats you face.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.